Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel where we bring you the latest and greatest healthy meal prep ideas that are sure to help you stay on track with your nutrition goals. Today, we're going to share some amazing meal prep ideas that are easy to make and delicious to eat. Whether you're looking for quick and simple recipes or something more elaborate, we've got you covered. Before we dive in, let's talk a little bit about meal prepping and why it's such an important part of maintaining a healthy diet. Meal prep is simply the act of preparing your meals ahead of time. It involves planning out your meals for the week, buying the necessary ingredients, and then cooking and portioning them out so that they're ready to eat whenever you need them. There are several benefits to meal prepping. For one, it saves you time and money in the long run. When you have meals prepped and ready to go, you're less likely to make impulsive decisions to eat out or grab fast food. Additionally, meal prepping allows you to control your portions and ensure that you're getting the right balance of macronutrients, carbs, protein, and fat in your diet. With that said, let's dive into some healthy meal prep ideas that will make your life a whole lot easier. Breakfast ideas. First up, we have some healthy breakfast ideas that are perfect for busy mornings. 1. Overnight oats. Overnight oats are a great option for anyone who's always on the go in the mornings. 1. Simply mix together some rolled oats, milk, or almond milk, Greek yogurt, and your favorite toppings, think fruit, nuts, seeds, and honey, and let it sit in the fridge overnight. In the morning, you'll have a delicious and nutritious breakfast waiting for you. 1. Egg muffins. Egg muffins are another easy breakfast option that you can make ahead of time. Simply whisk together some eggs, milk, and your favorite veggies, such as spinach, mushrooms, and bell peppers, pour the mixture into a muffin tin, and bake in the oven until set. These egg muffins can be stored in the fridge and reheated in the morning for a quick and easy breakfast. 1. Peanut butter banana oatmeal. For a warm and comforting breakfast, try this peanut butter banana oatmeal recipe. 1. Cook up some rolled oats in milk, or almond milk. Then stir in some mashed banana, peanut butter, and a drizzle of honey. Top with some sliced banana and chopped nuts for added crunch. 1. Lunch ideas. Next up, we have some healthy lunch ideas that are perfect for taking to work or school. Mason jar salads. Mason jar salads are a fun and creative way to meal prep your lunch. 1. Simply layer your favorite veggies, protein, such as grilled chicken or tofu, and salad dressing in a mason jar, and then store in the fridge until you're ready to eat. When you're ready to enjoy your salad, simply give the jar a shake and pour onto a plate. 1. Grilled chicken and veggie wraps. For a more substantial lunch, try making these grilled chicken and veggie wraps. 1. Grill up some chicken breast, slice it thinly, and then wrap it up in a whole wheat tortilla with some roasted veggies, such as bell peppers and zucchini, hummus, and feta cheese. These wraps can be stored in the fridge and reheated in the microwave for a quick and easy lunch. Turkey and avocado sandwich. For a classic sandwich option, try this turkey and avocado sandwich. 1. Toast up some whole grain bread, then layer on some turkey breast, sliced avocado, lettuce, and tomato. Spread some mustard or hummus on the bread for extra flavor, and you've got a tasty and nutritious lunch that will keep you fueled throughout the day. 1. Dinner ideas. Finally, let's talk about some healthy dinner ideas that are perfect for meal prepping ahead of time. 1. Slow cooker chicken and sweet potato stew. This slow cooker chicken and sweet potato stew is a hearty and comforting dinner that's perfect for chilly evenings. Simply combine chicken breasts, diced sweet potatoes, carrots, celery, onion, and chicken broth in a slow cooker and cook on low for 6 to 8 hours. Serve with some crusty bread for dipping. 1 pan-baked salmon and vegetables. For a quick and easy dinner, try this 1 pan-baked salmon and vegetables recipe. Simply toss some chopped veggies, such as broccoli, carrots, and bell peppers, with some olive oil and seasoning, and then place a salmon fillet on top. Bake in the oven until the salmon is cooked through and the veggies are tender. Quinoa and black bean bowl. For a vegetarian dinner option, try this quinoa and black bean bowl. Cook up some quinoa according to package instructions, and then mix it with some black beans, chopped veggies, such as bell peppers and corn, and a simple dressing made from lime juice, olive oil, and cumin. Top with some chopped cilantro and avocado for added flavor. Snack ideas. Last but not least, let's talk about some healthy snack ideas that are perfect for those mid-afternoon cravings. Energy balls. Energy balls are a great snack option because they're easy to make and can be customized to your liking. Simply blend together some dates, nuts, and your favorite mix-ins, such as cocoa powder, coconut, and chia seeds, in a food processor until you have a sticky mixture. Roll into balls and store in the fridge for a quick and easy snack. Greek yogurt and berries. For a simple and refreshing snack, try some Greek yogurt and berries. Simply spoon some Greek yogurt into a bowl and top with your favorite berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. Drizzle with a little bit of honey if desired. Roasted chickpeas. Roasted chickpeas are a crunchy and satisfying snack that's perfect for those who love savory flavors. Simply toss some chickpeas with some olive oil and seasoning, such as garlic powder and paprika, and then roast in the oven until crispy. Conclusion. And there you have it, some amazing healthy meal prep ideas that are sure to help you stay on track with your nutrition goals. Whether you're looking for quick and simple recipes or something more elaborate, these meal prep ideas are easy to make and delicious to eat. So what are you waiting for? Start meal prepping today and reap the benefits of a healthy and balanced diet. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.